Many seniors struggle with sleep, waking up again and again, even after trying pills, teas, or expensive remedies. But what if the secret to deep, natural sleep was sitting right in your kitchen all along? Yes, I'm talking about the humble onion, a surprising, science-backed sleep aid that can help restore your rest in just a few nights. No pills, no side effects, just natural relief. 1. Why sleep gets harder after 60. As we age, our bodies produce less melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Add to that nighttime anxiety, joint pain, or medications, and falling asleep becomes harder. The result? Restless nights, low energy during the day, and an endless search for solutions. 2. How onion helps with sleep. Onions contain natural compounds that 1. Support L-tryptophan, an amino acid your brain uses to make serotonin and melatonin, the sleep hormones. 2. Calm the nervous system. Sulfur compounds in onions reduce stress and support relaxation. 3. Boost circulation, helping the brain and body feel calm before sleep. 3. 4 powerful onion sleep methods. Here are 4 powerful ways seniors can use onions for deep rest. The last method is the strongest, so stay with me until the end. 1. Onion by the bedside slice. A fresh onion in half, place it on a plate, and keep it near your bedside. As you breathe in its natural aroma, the compounds help relax your nervous system and calm the mind. This old folk remedy is now supported by studies showing onion aroma can reduce stress and promote relaxation. 2. Onion tea. Peel and slice 1 onion, boil it gently in water for 10 minutes, and sip the warm tea before bed. It may not win a taste award, but onion tea is rich in antioxidants that support your brain and body's natural sleep rhythms. 3. Onion juice for sleep. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh onion juice, mix it with warm water, and drink before bedtime. This method is stronger than onion tea and works faster for many seniors. 4. Onion foot therapy. Here's the most powerful onion remedy. Slice onion rings and place them under your feet. Then wear light socks and go to bed. Through the skin, onion compounds absorb into your body, calming your nerves and boosting circulation, helping you drift into deep, restorative sleep. The science behind the magic. Why does this work? Onions stimulate L-tryptophan pathways, helping your brain make more melatonin. They also balance your body's natural stress hormones. So instead of forcing sleep with pills, onions gently reset your sleep cycle from within. If you're over 60 and struggling with restless nights, onions may be the natural sleep solution you've been waiting for. Start with the simple bedside method. Try onion tea, and if you want the strongest effect, use onion foot therapy. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.